Hello everyone. We are TeamINSPIRE, presenting our solution TraceFlow for the problem statement, Tracking of Funds within Bank for Fraud Detection, PS3. Today, banks process millions of transactions every day across digital payments, ATMs, and online banking systems. Because of this massive scale, manual monitoring becomes impossible, and traditional rule-based anti-money laundering systems often fail to detect complex fraud patterns such as layering, circular transfers, and coordinated mule account networks. To address this challenge, we propose TraceFlow, an intelligent system that tracks and analyzes fund movement inside banks in real time. TraceFlow continuously monitors transaction streams and detects suspicious patterns within seconds. It compares transaction behavior with customer KYC profiles to identify abnormal financial activities. Instead of analyzing transactions individually, TraceFlow models them as interconnected graphs, where accounts are nodes and transactions are edges. This graph-based approach allows investigators to visualize transaction networks and trace money flow across multiple accounts, making hidden laundering structures easier to detect. To ensure data privacy and security, TraceFlow integrates with existing banking systems through a lightweight SDK. This SDK captures transaction events directly from the bank's core systems and pseudonymizes sensitive identifiers, ensuring that real customer information is never exposed during analysis. The entire solution runs on-premise inside the bank infrastructure, meaning sensitive financial data never leaves the organization. Our system follows a structured detection pipeline. First, the SDK captures transaction events from banking systems. These transactions are securely processed and enriched with relevant customer information such as account age, risk category, and income range. Next, the system builds a graph database that maps relationships between accounts and transactions. Using graph analytics and machine learning techniques, TraceFlow detects suspicious patterns such as layering, structuring, circular transfers, and mule networks. High-risk activities are then grouped into investigation cases, which investigators can explore through an interactive dashboard. The platform enables them to trace the complete path of funds and generate structured evidence packages for regulatory reporting and compliance. From a technical perspective, TraceFlow uses a scalable technology stack, including Python with Flask for backend services, Kafka for real-time data streaming, Neo4j for graph database management, React and D3.js for interactive visualization, and Docker for containerized deployment. Our solution is both feasible and viable. Because it runs on-premise, it ensures strong data privacy and regulatory compliance. The architecture is scalable and integrates seamlessly with existing banking infrastructure through a lightweight SDK. TraceFlow also delivers significant impact and benefits. It enhances fraud visibility by uncovering hidden relationships between transactions. It enables real-time risk detection, helping banks identify laundering patterns within seconds. It improves regulatory compliance by generating traceable evidence for investigations. And by automating analysis, it significantly reduces manual monitoring workload for compliance teams. From a business perspective, TraceFlow follows a three-part revenue model. First, banks can deploy the platform through enterprise licensing within their infrastructure. Second, pricing can scale through usage-based transaction monitoring tiers. And third, revenue can also come from integration, customization, and ongoing technical support services. In conclusion, TraceFlow transforms how banks detect financial crime by combining graph intelligence, real-time analytics, and privacy-preserving architecture. By enabling investigators to trace complex money laundering networks quickly and efficiently, TraceFlow helps financial institutions detect fraud faster, improve compliance, and strengthen financial security. Thank you.